Should I keep phrase and exact keywords in the same ad group? As I said earlier on, it really depends on how your campaigns and ad groups have been set up. You can do both. You can keep them together, or you can keep them separate. With separate, then you will need to keep, or you need to have a better workflow. Um, and what you should also do is, if you are keeping phrase and exact separately, then all the phrase keywords should be as phrase negatives in the exact ad group, so that you are sculpting the traffic. And that becomes a bit more complicated for most people, because it is a fair amount of work. As you keep adding more keywords to the ad groups, you then need to negate them out from the exact match, or the exact match keyword should be as exact negatives in the phrase, so the phrase don't trigger the exact match system. So it really depends um, on your workflow and how you create them, but for sure you can definitely keep them in the same ad group.